Hello guys! In this session, let us discuss about how to take care of our nature. Taking care of nature. What is nature? The phenomena of the physical world collectively includes plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or humans' creations. Let us see the beautiful nature if they are protected well. The amazing Manu rice terraces, the wonderful chocolate hills. These are other wonderful nature illustrations. Things we can do to help protect our nature. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what we throw away. Select what can use again. Conserve natural resources and natural space. Do regular cleanup drive. This is to keep our environment clean and to protect our nature. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and office. Our responsibilities. We must have made a commitment to respect our nature by making a careful use of natural resources and taking steps to prevent pollution. Comply with the laws and regulations that protects our nature and environment. To cooperate with the responsible administrative authorities and agencies. Avoid using illegal items, instruments, chemicals that will lead to environmental destruction. Reports any offen- Report any offenders to proper authorities. We should be responsible to avoid fish kills are caused by a variety of factors including low dissolved oxygen, pollutants, disease, and changing temperatures. Floods caused commonly by illegal logging and drainage blockage due to the garbage or others. Droughts can be also due to illegal cutting of trees and the irregular use of water sources. Landslides, commonly caused by deforestation, or illegal logging, and other calamities due to mismanagement of our natural resources. Here are the illustration of the calamities caused by abuse of our nature. Fish kills and flood. Here are more nature illustrations. Drought and landslides. Together, we can make this earth a best place for all. Protect our nature. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!